Hello everyone, today we're mastering non-blocking I/O in Python instead of writing sequentially for network responses. We'll write asynchronous code to handle multiple operations concurrently. We'll build two projects, a real-time TCP Chat Engine, a high-throughput Async Web Scraper with retries. Let's dive straight into the code. First, let's build a raw TCP socket server using asyncio.streamReader and asyncio.streamWriter. I create three files, client, scraper, and server for this tutorial. First, I save in server file. Look at the code. Excuse me. And another function. And try. Client disconnected. Relay to all other active clients. And accept. Excuse me. And finally. Okay. Start function. Broadcast server in okay. And asyncio.run hub.start. Key takeaway: await pure.drain pauses execution until the writer buffer flushes, preventing memory overload under heavy traffic. In client file, look at the code. And break, excuse me, and print, and function send user input, and function connect client. Run sending and receiving loops concurrently. Excuse me. Okay. And run connect client. Okay, project 1 ending. Key takeaway: standard input is blocking. We use run in executor to handle keyboard input in a separate thread, so incoming message aren't blocked. In new terminal and start server, excuse me, start server, running server, and another terminal, start client. Excuse me, client. Hello world in server received hello world. Project 1 ending. Okay. Project 2 high value. Create project 2. Next, let's create a scraper with Aiohttp using exponential backoff retry logic. In a scraper, excuse me, look at the code. Target endpoints for our extraction pipeline. Target URLs like this. Trigger retry logic. Excuse me. Function fetch with backoff. Try. And return HTML, print, and accept. Exponential backoff algorithm. Let's print and return. in main function. Main function like this. Share a single session object across all requests for connection pooling. Okay, and run main. Run it. And successfully. Key takeaway: always reuse a single client session across requests to take advantage of TCP connection pooling. To wrap up, always drain your socket writers, offload blocking function like console input using run in executor, reuse your Aiohttp.client.session across concurrent tasks. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and leave any question in the comments. See you in the next video.